What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Let's talk about medical bills and fixing your credit. That way you can get that car, get that house, get them unlimited credit cards, unsecured. And this is how we're going to trap the creditors that is reporting negative to your credit reports and to the credit agencies. We're going to send a letter. I have a do-it-yourself credit repair kit that I've used myself, and I had over 15 deletions from my credit report using this method. What we're going to do is we're going to send letters to validate and verify that this is your bill, that this is your account, and more than likely they're not going to be able to verify it, because if they do and they send something back and they send something that's your signature on it, or they send a bill that you signed or anything, that is breaking the HIPAA law. Because then, when they send that back, we send in a letter to the credit agency with what they sent, saying they just broke the HIPAA law. Who gave them permission to see my medical history? It's just as simple as that. And all you need is these letters. Everything that I talk about, everything is below in the comments. There's a link right there to take you over there to my do-it-yourself credit repair kit. Has all the letters that you need to send, 4 rounds to the credit bureaus and to the collection agencies. See, they're not allowed to see your medical history. And if they send you something verifying, which 99% of the time they can't verify it because it's breaking the HIPAA law. But if they do, you got them trapped. And if they don't send it, you still got them trapped, because it's got to come off. It's got to come off your credit reports. If they can't verify it, and if they do verify it, then that's breaking the HIPAA law. So that's just a little secret that I want to share with you. Just get the link below. It'll send you over there to where my package is. Just take a look at it. If you like it, hey, just do it yourself. It's $15 for do-it-yourself package. And then I'm also working on videos. Some people are, visual learners, and that way that they can see me do it right here on the computer. But there's different packages up there for you, and that's just a little thing about medical bills and breaking the HIPAA law. And doing credit repair yourself is about the easiest way to go about it. I mean, you can spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars, getting other people to do it for you. But all you need is the letters. Everything that they use is in this credit kit. And they're raping you when they're raping you for every bit of money that you have whenever you use these agencies to do your credit repair. Because basically it's just these letters, and I'm not going to try. Mine was trial and error. I've learned it, but doing this my way, getting letters from all these people that I paid, I just made a little kit myself, and it works. I've done it myself. It works. I've had 15 items removed, medical bills removed from my credit. So I'm a testimonial for my own results. All right, guys, the link's below. Any more questions, just send me a message on Facebook or through YouTube.